I'm not like that. I ain't built like that. What time is it? 10:30? Oh my god. Yeah, I'm packing it up. Wait, is my purple thing not on Discord? Probably not, huh?
Right,
I don't think
so
it
we're
says
gonna teleport on
mode.
top of a torso.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, she jumped so high. Whoa. I didn't know that. Snowball. Clap, 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 clap. Wait, this is hit scan? Oh yeah. Who gets my snowflake? Oh no, yeah. Does not show purple on Discord. Yeah, it's probably because I was offline and then I changed it as soon as I started.
I don't think anybody's gonna be able to get through that. Oh,
Jeep and Umaru-chan, thank you for the follows. Come on, Mr. Spinny Hand. Get to it.
Yeah, hold on. You ready?
Big Jordan! Thank you for the 4-month reset with Prime. Thank you, brother. Hello? 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 Bruh. Yeah, good TP, bruv. Good TP, bruv. Yeah. Great, great. I'm so glad I waited for that. Thank you. What the fuck was that? What the fuck?
Oh, now I'm in the middle of the team. Oh, fuck. Oh.
Thank you, Jordan. Oh. So, like... Oh.
That was the greatest portal I've ever seen in my entire life. Literally.
You don't get any better than that.
Okay, well. You know, for some reason I don't think I'm meant to play Luna. I don't know, man. I don't think this is it. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't have good aim, so... There's too much going on, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. 10 out of good TP. Yeah, it was the best. The best ever, actually. I've never seen anything better in my entire life. Wow. That was great. It's really good. I was really, really good. Yeah. Yeah. That's my goats, by the way. Oh, he wants me.
Like this whole...
Yeah, I don't like Luna anymore. Bye. Dude, I can't play anyone. I'm playing this guy. Stretchy guy. Ole mole. Hi, Opila!
Funny arrow.
What else? What really? What really? Marry stream elements? Of course you're marrying a fucking robot. I forgot how to play this guy. Oh, wait, I can grab people. Let me hump you. Let me hump it. I'm humping it. I'm humping it. No! No! Why is bro an elastic backshot, man? Why not? I'm trying to play people. I don't know, okay? Stream Elements is getting it. They do so much work for me. Really? Because you're, yeah. Are you sure? Do they?
Let's get started.
Sad to see my goat got disrespected. Strange. Need to lock in. What? Man, it wasn't my fault, okay? Not my fault. Joe, thank you for the 3-month resub with Prime. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Damn. 20%. Ooh, yeah. Pack it up. Pack it up, gamer. Oh my god.
Probably shouldn't comment. Khonshu is always listening.
Let me punch it. Let me put it in y'all. Put it in y'all butt. It'll be putting in more work on Spectrum. Isn't terrible. Yeah, get money. What? My numbers were all low except Peaches was 96. Yeah, I'm fucking up or whatever. It's a sign. Yeah, it's a sign for you to play comp with me. God. Huzzah. Ugh. Let me hump. Let me hump. Let me hump. Oh my god. Okay, dude. Really?
I'm getting hit!
Oh my god, stop. 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 Fuck you. Fuck you, man. Fuck you, man. Fuck you, man. Okay, well, never mind. Fuck me. Fuck me, man. Hi, nobody. How are you? Oh, frick. Wait, you already are stuck without the PC? Oh, fuck. Well, fuck me, I guess. What is their name? Hello? My turn. Me. What the fuck? Hello?
I tried Genzo.
No. No. I'm a bit sleepy. Go bed. Go bed. Bed's time. Good night. Good night. Oh, I probably shouldn't have hit him, huh? I'm just punching people and shit. Come here.